is for apple, shiny red apple. B is for banana, yummy yummy banana. C is for coconut. D is for dragon fruit. E is for eggplant. Did you know it's a fruit? F is for fig. G is for grapefruit. Sour, sour grapefruit. H is for honeydew. I is for ice apple. Ice apples are in India and Asia. J is for jujube. Healthy, healthy jujube. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. Sour, sour lemon. M is for mango. N is for nectarine. O is for orange, don't you love the juice? P is for pineapple. Eat a piece of pineapple. Q is for quince, cook it up with apples and it makes a good dessert. R is for raspberry. S is for strawberry. Sweet, sweet strawberry. T is for tomato, did you know it's a fruit? U is for ugly fruit. Don't call it ugly, that is mean. It's just a grapefruit, orange and tangerine. V is for vanilla. W is for watermelon.